Samsung's next big thing is here. After the Galaxy S25 Ultra, the most anticipated foldable of the year has finally been revealed. Meet the Galaxy Z Fold 7. And let me tell you, Samsung has finally given us what we've been waiting for. With massive display upgrades, a sleeker design, and a game-changing camera, this is shaping up to be the most refined foldable yet. But is it really worth the hype? Let's break it down. Let's start with the biggest upgrade, the inner display. Samsung is pushing boundaries by bringing the largest inner screen on any foldable, 8.2 inches. That's even bigger than the Oppo Find N5. Plus, it's the only foldable with an under-display camera, so you get an uninterrupted, full-screen experience. Samsung has also tackled a major complaint, the crease. Reports suggest a massive improvement over the Fold 6, making it hard to notice in most scenarios. If this is true, it could finally put Samsung ahead of its competitors. But wait, the outer display also gets a huge improvement. It's now 11 millimeters wider than the previous model, bringing it closer to a standard smartphone display. No more awkward typing or zooming in just to read a message. Whether you're scrolling through social media or watching YouTube, the wider screen makes everything feel more natural and comfortable. Now, let's talk about the design and thickness. Samsung has made serious refinements here. The Fold 7 is just 9.5 millimeters thick when folded, down from the chunky 12.1 millimeters on the Fold 6. That's a huge drop, making it more pocket-friendly. When unfolded, it's just 4.5 millimeters thick, which is impressive. But it's still not the thinnest foldable. Oppo and Honor still hold that crown. One thing that hasn't changed? The battery. Yep, we're still looking at a 4,400 mAh cell, just like the Fold 6. A little disappointing, but Samsung is making up for it with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 Elite for Galaxy, which should offer better battery life and performance. So, while the capacity remains the same, efficiency improvements should still give us longer usage times. Now, for what might be the biggest game changer, the camera. Samsung is bringing over the 200MP sensor from the Galaxy S25 Ultra. That means insane photo and video quality, even competing against the iPhone 16 Pro Max. For the first time, Fold users won't have to compromise on camera quality. Alongside this, we'll still get the 12MP ultra-wide and a 3x telephoto lens, keeping things versatile. And of course, software matters. Samsung's latest One UI 7.1 is expected to bring more Galaxy AI features, making multitasking and productivity even smoother. Whether it's AI-enhanced messaging, improved photo editing, or better voice commands, Samsung is pushing AI integration to the next level. So, is the Galaxy Z Fold 7 the best foldable yet? With its larger displays, sleeker design, powerful performance, and a game-changing camera, it's definitely a huge step forward. But Samsung could have done more with battery life and making it even thinner. What do you think? Has Samsung finally nailed the perfect foldable, or do you think there's still room for improvement? Let's discuss in the comments. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to subscribe for more deep dives into the latest tech. Also, check out these other videos on the screen for more exciting updates. See you in the next one. Peace out.